Hi, I'm Ray Lee. I'm the CEO of Teclison. It's my great pleasure to have this interview to introduce our company, Teclison. Teclison is a clinical stage biotech company which is dedicated to develop a new therapy for cancer. We focus by trying to solve a high medical need in the immuno-oncology. That is, most of the cancer patient just does not have a sufficient anti-tumor T cell. And then even if they have some, and the anti-tumor T cells are usually exhausted. So what we have done is bypass this situation, and we develop a new method and to induce tumor necrosis and release a lot of anti-tumor antigen, and that leads to development and generation of a lot of anti-tumor T cell. And this is a T cell could be activated by anti-PD-1 immune checkpoint inhibitor, so that we can bypass this is a lack of a T cell and then T cell exhausted. And we have uses next-generation sequencing and to interrogate patients' peripheral blood and to ensure and confirm that the patients significantly generate a lot of a new anti-tumor T cell. And in our clinical study and our phase 1 trial, we use an intermediate stage of liver cancer and was able to achieve a complete response rate up to 60%. In the phase 2 study, we're moving to the advanced hepatocellular carcinoma, and particularly in those patients who failed immunotherapy, because our treatment was able to expand and generate the new anti-tumor T cell, and we were able to show has a strong synergy with immune checkpoint inhibitor in some of the patients, and which is even though they have a failed immunotherapy, we treat the liver lesion, and then their extrahepatic also show the systemic immune response and with tumor shrinkage. So that means the T cell is really expanded, and some of the patients also achieve a long-term remission, such as their alpha fetoprotein within normal and for over a year period of time. So this strategy not only works in the primary or hepatocellular carcinoma, but also works in a lot of other metastatic liver cancer, including colon, lung, and stomach, as long as those patients with a liver involvement, and we will be able to use. And we also have the capability to further expand the anti-tumor T cell by ex vivo expansion to another 100-fold. So sequentially, we'll achieve a 10,000-fold expansion. So give back to the patient and then really make the patient achieve a good remission from this is a whole sequential strategy. We're currently in the process of raising $30 million in our Series B, and all our member and used to work with a major pharma. And our potential investor could have the exit strategy by working with those company which is develop a PD-1 and VEGF bispecific antibody, which is a very competitive modality, and we will play a facilitator role by really expanding and enhancing their clinical efficacy. So this is a hot area, and we hope to make a good contribution, eventually make the patient free and then cancer free, and then also spare them from chemotherapy related toxicity. I will appreciate everybody's attention. Thank you very much.